I live at Wandilla Station, Eulo, on the Paroo River. It's about a 45,000 acre property. Predominantly we were sheep, but now we've converted across more to cattle. One of our biggest problems is water retention, and just to get to slow the runoff, even if you can slow it down 10%, it's going to make a hell of a difference. And all of a sudden you turn what was a creek or a gully into a manageable, workable ecosystem. If you can get the whole thing back to a good ecosystem, I think possibilities are endless. We can get some rain and it'll be very interesting to see how it all pans out in the end.
The project is an Australian government initiative to protect the Currawinda Ramsar wetlands, addressing some of the recognised threats. Landholders surrounding the park are critical to the success of the project. The work that's being done is helping to enhance their properties to address issues that they have with erosion, loss of soil, a loss of production on their properties.
The main thing that happened in February was there was nothing, it was dry. Then we got a couple of runs down this, was sitting there just waiting to go. And this last little bit of rain we had now, the country just exploded.
For it to have been scalded like it was for so long, and now to see the variety of plants and grasses that have come back is the amazing thing. Haven't really had major rainfall, but to show how the work that's been done has slowed the water down enough to get these grasses coming back. And even after a week, and this soil here is still spongy and wet, that wouldn't usually be how it is, it'd be dried out.
The old saying, you don't use the country, you work with it, and it's true. We were just so lucky that Southern Queensland Landscapes, they're practical, they're on the ground, and they make it easy, they make you want to do it. It's been amazing. Everything we've done in the last 10 years has come to fruition right here, right now.